students, I am Sailesh Prajapati from Saraswat School. Today I will teach you chapter 4 determinants. Yes students, chapter 4 determinants. So let's start. In these determinants there are the three mainly types. First types for the one row, one column. You don't read here two parallel lines is a determinant, but it's not a modulus A. You know students, known that modulus negative value inside putting outside positive and positive value inside putting also outside positive, but it's not a modulus, it is a determinants. Second topic, only square matrices have a determinants. Again repeat, only square matrices, it means two row two columns, three row three columns. It means row and columns are equal, that called square matrix. You know that they have our determinants. And determinants of the matrices in one order. So just I revise again, one order means nothing. There are one row and one column is defined equal to A. Next, one more, determinants of the matrices of two order means order 2, they indicate two row and two columns. Two row and two column solutions as are follows. Given matrix A, A11, A12, A21, A22. Students, you know that here A11 means first row, first column. A12 means first row, second columns. A21 means second row, first columns. And A22 means second row, second columns. That call here order indicate 2 cross 2. And that's determinant converted in that way. Determinant A is also you mention in short form DETA. Either there are two parallel lines A. First I explained that it is not a modulus, students. It is only determinants. That call also DEL. And A11, A12, A21 and A22 make them both are in the cross portion. First cross portion is called principal diagonal A11, A22 product, and second cross portion is A21 and A12, both of the multiply and between making the minus sign. So it is a simple formula, principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal. That solution is indicate two order determinants values. Now further going, example 1, evaluate the given determinants have first row element 2 4, second row element minus 1 2. Very easy students. Here just apply principal diagonal 2 into 2 product multiply minus secondary diagonal minus 1 into 4. That's why this both answer is calculate further, 4 plus 4 answer become 8. Yes students, it is only 1 mark question. One more sum. Example 2, evaluate in first row element x, x plus 1 and second row elements x minus 1 and x. Here also same principle apply. Principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. So students, here principal diagonals both multiply x into x minus secondary diagonals x minus 1 into x plus 1. If you further calculate, they get little answer is 1. So students, here both example 1 and example 2 only 1 mark question. Next. Next topic number 3, determinants of the matrices have order 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means nothing. There are 3 row, 3 column. This is called also square matrix, but here we converted into determinants 3 cross 3. It's very easy students. Make them first of all one of the determinant taking A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. These all are the 3 cross 3 determinants. See here in the first row, all three elements A11, A12, A13 I am making here in dark portion, and that making apply the first definition are the minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 and A11 means you just here remove first row first column, remaining data A22, A23, A32, A33. Apply in the small minors value that call minors. Huh? Now similarly, next one, plus of minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. This is a formula. Huh? Minus 1 raised to I plus j. I means row element, j means column elements. Same as A12. A12 means first row, second column you eliminate. They get A21, A23, A31, A33. And same as the last one, minus 1 is to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means first row, third column. If you remove, then remaining data in your given question A21, A22, A31, A32 and further calculate by our definition principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. You get easily this solution. And one more you expansion. The last answer is that in this form. So these are the simple definition for any 3 cross 3 determinants. Now we go ahead for that related numeric. Example 3. Evaluate given determinant del 1 to 4 minus 130 410. So students, here I focus only on the first row 1, 2 and 4 elements and apply that value 1 with minor value 3010, minus of 2, that values are related minus 1040 and last of the minus 1341. And after that if you calculate principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals, you getting little answer minus 52. This marks for only 1 mark. This question, sorry students, this question only for 1 marks. Now question 4 is a IMP question, exam oriented questions. Given delta 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha, minus sin alpha 0 sin beta and cos alpha minus sin beta 0. Students, here also I apply same principle 3 cross 3 definitions. So first of all I saying here expanding along R1. R1 means nothing, you calculate by the row number 1 element. So row number 1 elements are given in the del 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha and apply by definition. You get the 0 with 0 sin beta minus sin beta 0. Same as minus sin alpha with given minus sin alpha sin beta cos alpha 0 and last one minus cos alpha with remaining values minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha minus sin beta. And if you further calculate by principal diagonal minus secondary diagonals, you get the answer is 0. This question for students 2 marks questions. Continue. Example 5. Find the values of x for given both determinants are in equal positions. See students, here given equal positions means left hand side answer and right hand side answer both are taking in equal values. So very easy. It's apply by same as 3x x1 is equal to 3 2 4 1. We going to principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. You getting value x square is equal to 8 and taking both sides square root x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Yes students, both answer is true. Plus 2 root 2 is also true and minus 2 root 2 is also true. Now continue. Exercise 4.1. First question 2 4 minus 5 minus 1. Here students apply same rule, principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. So 2 and minus 1 is your principal diagonal, both you multiply, and secondary diagonals values minus 5 comma 4 you both multiply, that minus 20, and after further calculate you get the little answer 18. Yes students, this questions only for 1 marks 18. Now question number second. Second, the first one, cos alpha theta minus sin theta cos theta. Here also students apply same principle. One of the principal diagonal minus secondary diagonals. After further calculate cos square plus sin square, you know that it is identity for trigonometrics. My answer is only and only 1. Next, one more. 4.1 continue. Question second one. This second one question is IMP question. Huh? Here also same principle apply. 2 cross 2. So principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal. Our principal diagonal element x square minus x plus 1 with x plus 1 product minus secondary diagonal x plus 1 with x minus 1. And if you further calculate that you known x cube plus 1 property and last two factors x plus 1 and x minus 1, that also you known x square minus 1, after expanded you get that x cube minus x square plus 2, and that of the last answer x cube minus x square plus 2. Here this question is over, students, and is a 2 marks question. Next, continue. 4.1 question number 3. Show that 2a determinants is equal to 4 determinants a. So very easy, students. First I calculate 2a. 2a means 2 multiply by given matrix A. After that I derive that value for determinants. So first let's start 2a. So given A 1 2 4 2. I obtain 2a means 2 into given matrix A, and 2 elements multiply by each member. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are and 2 twos are. You get just 2 4 8 4. Now I start our LHS. My LHS is a determinant 2a. So apply the value in determinant 2 4 8 4. Very easily apply principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. You get the little answer 8 minus 32 is equal to minus 24. Yes students, answer LHS for minus 24. Similarly go ahead for RHS. 4 determines A. So 4 determinant A value 1 2 4 2. You not multiply here 4. They calculate first 4 as it is, and principal diagonals minus secondary diagonal. So 1 2s are 2 minus 4 2s are 8. Here I think students one mistake my, here 4 2s are, it is 2. These are the 2. My mistake there. Don't worry students. So 2 minus 8, it becomes 4.1. Question number 4. Same sum, but this question are given in the 3 cross 3 values. It means 3 row, 3 column related. So similarly, I calculate first 3a. After that, I go to determinant. So given a 101, 012, 004, and I first derive 3a means 3 multiply by all values for given matrices in that way 303, 036, 0012, and now I start LHS. My LHS value 3a. So 3a value apply 303, 036 and 0012 in the determinants and solve by our definitions. You known that definitions the previous I calculate, total answer is 108. Same as our RHS 27 determinant A. So determinant A calculate first and after that you multiply by 27 and check them. Both answer is true. 108 108. Yes, definitely my answer is over here. Hence LHS equal to RHS. So we will prove determinant of 3a is equal to 27 determinant A. Okay, now continue, move ahead. 4.1 question number 5. Evaluate the following determinants. First one, students, this determinant is also apply in the 3 cross 3. So I again applying of only first row elements. So given determinants apply by expanding along first row. Always students, you apply your first definition rule by the first row. So first row element I first utilize number 3, and that minus value for the opposite numbers 0 minus 5 minus 1 0, same as minus of minus 1, remaining data 0 minus 1 3 0, and last minus 2 with the remaining data 0 0 3 minus 5, and further calculate by the rule of principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals, you get little answer minus 12. Yes students, this sum is also only for 1 mark. Yes, next one. 4.1 continue. Question 5. Second one. Here also I taking first row element only 3 minus 4 5. So now I start for the 3. Expanding along the first row elements. First element apply. Row number 1 3. So if you blocking the 3, remaining data 1 minus 2 3 minus 1, sorry, plus 1. Similarly, minus 4 here. Remaining data 1, minus 2, 2, 1, and at the last plus 5. 1, 1, 2, 3. Now apply similarly principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. You get that result, and if you further calculate, definitely my answer is a 21 plus 20 plus 5, it's only 46. It's numerical also, students, just only 1 mark. Again 4.1, continue fifth, third one. Here also same given determinants are utilized and apply by the rule of expanding along first row. Students, first row related I calculate 0, 1, 2 element I just utilize in this solutions. So first I taking 0. So related data 0, minus 3, 3, 0 are pending. Same as minus of value apply 1, then remaining values minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 0, and at the last 2 utilize, then remaining values minus 1, 0, minus 2, 3, and after that calculate principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals and further calculate, definitely you get the value 0 plus 6 minus 6. Yes students, my answer is 0 only. 4.1, question number 5, that fourth one. 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0 to minus 1, 3 minus 5, 0. Yes students, here also I utilize the same principle, expanding along the first row. First row element 2 minus 1 minus 2. So first I utilize 2 and remaining the values are 2 after taking, that values is 0 minus 1 minus 5, 0. Same as minus 1 with 0, minus 1, 3, 0, and at the last 0, 2, 3, minus 5. And then after utilize principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals 2, 0, minus 5, minus 1, you get the simplifications value, and after that you simplify last value minus 10 plus 3 plus 12 is equal to 5. Yes students, this answer is also for the 1 marks questions. Continue. 4.1, question number 6. Given matrices converting into determinants A. This also same pattern. So given matrices I mention in the determinants 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3, 5 4 minus 9, and apply by the same principle our expanding along the first row. So first row elements I utilize that in that pattern. So first of all 1, remaining value 1 minus 3 4 minus 9, same as second value minus 1 with the 2 minus 3 5 minus 9, and at the last plus 2 with minus 2. There are the 2 1 5 4. Same apply principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals, further calculate, and you get the answer is 0. Next move question number 7. Seventh, there are two numericals, but first I going to first one. Find the values of x for the given both determinants are equal. So students, these both determinants are given type 2 cross 2. That's why I apply principal diagonals minus secondary diagonals. 2 ones are 2 minus 5 fours are 20. Same as right side 2x into x 2x square minus 6 fours are 24. And I further calculate, definitely minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24, and total you get 2x square is equal to minus 18 plus 24. So my answer is only and only x is equal to plus or minus root 3. Here both answer is true, x is equal to plus or minus root 3. Now question for 7th, the second one. This determinant is also equal 2, 3, 4, 5 equal to x 3 2x 5. But students, just remind that these both determinant are given the type 2 cross 2. It means 2 row 2 column. Same apply principal diagonal 5 2s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to same as 5 into x minus 3 into 2x. So further calculate, you get just value minus 2 is equal to minus x, so x is equal to 2, and that of the finished only 1 mark question. Now question 8 is a MCQ type question, but students see 7th question both of these also MCQ type question asking in the parallel to 8 sum. So here also I given that x to 18x converting into principal diagonal minus secondary diagonal. X square minus 36 same as right side. 36 minus 36. So definitely you get that very easy. X square is minus 36 equal to 0. X square equal to 36 and x is equal to plus or minus 6. So definitely my option is B tick. Therefore option B is the correct answer. So my answer over here and 1 mark easily I getting. Yes, students, here our first period is over and you are the great. Easily you completed our first exercise and further explanation I explain in the next period too. Okay, thank you.